Hey everyone, today we're going to install a Genie wireless garage door opener, and we are on location. So if you're interested in doing this yourself, stick around and we'll show you how. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. Again, I'm the handy ginger. Again, I don't know how handy I am, but I am a ginger, and I'm also on site with another ginger. So, okay, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find the location you want to install this. We're going to install ours right here, so it's basically going to sit right like that. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to open it and kind of pick a place for this first screw to go. And so we want it to be about right there. So we're going to put a screw right there. I want that to be pretty far in there. Okay, so now we've hooked it on that first screw, and so we're going to put a level here to make sure it's straight and not messed up. And so the second screw hole is going to go right there. All right, so that looks good. Alright, we're on there straight. If you don't know how to put batteries in, maybe you shouldn't be doing this, but alright, now after we have the batteries in, the instructions on how to program it is right here. But basically what we want to do is we want to go to the garage door opener itself and hit the set or learn or program button. Okay, so now we're going to hit 3, 5, 7. Alright. So now we've got it tied to the opener. So now once the lights have gone back out, we can actually set a pin that you want. So 357 is the factory for this model, but we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 in this example. So what we're going to do is enter the factory pin, which in our case is 3, 5, 7. Press program, enter the new pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit program again. And so see, you can barely see that the light's flashing. Tell us it was programmed. So if we hit 1, 2, 3, 4 and hit down, the door will go down. And that's it. So we have successfully installed a Genie garage door opener, keypad opener. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.
Stop recording.
Press the program.
No.
Oh yeah.
3, 5, 7.
Then press up or down 3 or 4 times. There we go. Okay, let's do that again.